In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your Redmi 14C. So if you prefer using dark mode and you'd like to enable it, or if you find the screen too bright for you and you'd like to enable dark mode, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is access the settings within the device. So find the settings application and tap on it. And then within the settings, scroll down and select display and brightness. So select that. And then within the display and brightness, you should see the option dark mode. So you should see a brief description of what it's about. Switch to low light UI that displays mostly dark surfaces. So to enable dark mode, simply tap on that toggle switch icon. And you can see the interface has changed into dark mode. Now there are additional settings you can customize. So just beneath the dark mode option, you should see the dark mode options. So tap on that. Then now you can choose to switch to dark mode in terms of you can schedule it. So if you like to schedule to switch to dark mode, all you have to do is find this option and tap on the toggle switch icon and then choose the options that you prefer. So by default, it's set to sunset to sunrise. So your device will switch to dark mode at sunset and back to light mode at sunrise. So you can select that, or you can choose a custom schedule. So tap on custom and then select the time you'd like dark mode to begin. So simply tap on the turn on option and choose the time that you'd like dark mode to begin. So let's say if you want to begin at 11 a.m., you can select that and also choose the time that you'd like to disable it. So let's say 3 a.m. and tap on it. Additionally, you can choose to customize the dark mode for individual applications. So all you have to do is find the application that you'd like or the applications that are currently supporting dark mode, and then find the application you'd like, and then on the toggle switch icon next to it, simply tap on it. And then you should see this warning: this app might not be displayed properly in dark mode. So if you'd like to proceed, simply select turn on. You can repeat the same for all the other applications that you'd like to enable dark mode individually for. So that's basically it on how to enable dark mode on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.